Today's topic for maths is looking at the order of operations. Our learning intention today is to investigate order of operations and compare answers when solved in different ways. You will be successful today if you can explore and apply conventions used to calculate expressions containing multiple operations. We will use the acronym BOMDAS to help us calculate operations in the correct way. Now we follow the formula of B first for brackets. Wherever you see brackets in an equation, you always solve the operation that is within the brackets. Others is another one we'll be looking at later on in the week. Multiplication and division. These two go hand in hand and they actually performed whichever comes first from left to right. So within the sum, if division comes first, we solve division. If multiplication comes first and it's on the left, we solve multiplication first. After we have solved multiplication and division, we then move to addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction are also performed whichever comes first from left to right. Here we can see a problem that has three operations: addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Today we are going to investigate how the order in which you calculate operations actually changes the answer. So we're going to have a look on the next slide of how this problem is solved in three different ways and actually investigate which one is correct. In each of these solutions, they have actually started with solving the problem with a different operation. In solution 1, they have started with addition by adding 4 plus 6, resulting in the answer of 87. In solution 2, they have begun with the operation of subtraction. Now, in both of these, addition and subtraction should actually come last in this problem. In solution 3, they have started with the operation of multiplication, then moved to subtraction, then moved to addition. Now, if you can see in solution 3, they have gone from right to left instead of left to right. Now, when the order of operations is not followed, then this problem could be solved in different ways and we can get the incorrect answers. This is the reason order of operations is so important when you have multiple operations in one problem. So let's have a look at how to correctly solve this problem using order of operations. The first step we need to do is to identify the operations in the problem. So we have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. We know by following BOMDAS that multiplication will come first. So our problem that we need to do is to solve the multiplication problem. As you can see here, that is 6 multiplied by 9. 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. Now we need to identify what comes next. We know we have addition and subtraction. If we follow BOMDAS in the correct order of operations, we know that both of these go hand in hand and we solve it by solving whichever comes first from left to right. If I look at the left of this problem, addition is my first one to solve. So my first one to solve is 4 plus 54, which will equal 58. And then I need to solve subtraction from that, which is 58 subtract 3 equals 55. Let's have a look at another problem together. So first we have 4 plus 3 times 4. I have already identified here that multiplication is the first one I need to solve because I know that comes before addition. So 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. The next thing I need to do is then add 4 onto 12, which will equal 16. All right, so let's work through another problem. Here we have 18, subtract 2, multiply 7, add 2. The first thing we need to do is multiply 2 by 7. This will give us the answer of 14. The next thing we need to do is identify which comes first from subtraction and addition. If we are following BOMDAS, we know addition and subtraction are performed whichever comes first from left to right. On our problem, subtraction comes first, and that will be the operation we do. So 18 subtract 14 will equal 4. The last thing we need to do is our last problem, a sum which is addition, and that is 4 plus 2, which will equal 6. All right, it's your turn to have a go completing the individual tasks in your lesson. Remember to make sure you are looking at the model examples if you need help.